Greetings, dear teachers and students. I am Preeti Arora, author of famous CS IP and IT textbooks by Sultan Chand and Sons Private Limited. In the last video, we had discussed about the first unit, digital documentation, and the very first topic, styles, and how to apply the 6 categories of styles in LibreOffice Writer. In continuation with the above chapter, we are going to discuss the second topic today, which is creating and loading own styles. We can create our own styles also in LibreOffice Writer, and there are two methods of doing the same. First is using new style from selection method, and second is using drag and drop method. So now we'll be implementing both of these methods using LibreOffice Writer. So now we'll create our own styles. Now there are two methods to create our own styles, new styles in LibreOffice Writer. First is using new selection, and second is using drag and drop method. So in new selection, we'll start with it. We'll select first the text for which we have to create a new style. Now I'll be changing the font style. Suppose I'm changing to Bookman old style, changing the font size, probably maybe to 13 points or 14 point, whatever. Then applying bold and italics as the effects, changing the text color from this was red initially, now I'm changing it to purple. So this is the new style that I have created, and to save it I'll be clicking on new style from selection shortcut present on the formatting toolbar, or maybe I can move to style option and then I can select manage style. From manage style, there will be at the rightmost side will be having style actions. From style actions drop down, I can select new style from selection. So either way we can save this new style. So I'll be clicking on the shortcut present on the formatting toolbar. As soon as I click on this shortcut, it's going to display me the dialog box for entering the new style name. So now I have used Bookman as the font style, and I have applied purple color. So accordingly I am giving the name, then we'll be clicking OK. So this new style is created, and we can look at it by clicking on style and manage style window. So here is the Bookman purple style which we have just created. So that will be displayed inside the list of the styles which are there in the styles gallery. To apply this, we are going to select another paragraph, suppose this, and clicking on this Bookman purple. So this was the newly created style, and now I have applied it to another paragraph. So in this way we can create our own style using selection method, and then we can apply that newly created style using by clicking on the respective style, double clicking on the respective style. So that was the first method of creating from selection. Now second, we'll see drag and drop method. To do so, we'll be selecting another paragraph. Suppose, let me close this style window first. Suppose I am selecting this paragraph, responsibility, here, and I am changing the font style again. Suppose I am giving it as Arial black, and then choosing the font size as 12. Again, suppose I am applying only italics and changing the font color to, let's say, green. And now I will be saving this new style using drag and drop method. For that I have to click on style menu, then manage style, and here I'll be hovering over my mouse on this newly created font styles and newly created color that I have taken as green, and then I'll click and drag this to the style window. As soon as I release the mouse button, it's going to ask me for the new style name. Since I have taken Arial as my font, so I'll be giving the name accordingly, Arial underscore. Now I've given green name, so this will be the name of my new style which I have created using drag and drop method. Now I'll be clicking on OK. So Arial green has been created. So again I can apply this anywhere in in my document. Suppose I've selected this document and I will be clicking on Arial Green. So as you can see, the style that I have created, that will be exhibited on the new paragraph on which I have applied using it by double clicking on the respective newly created style. So till now we have created our own styles and we have implemented them. Apart from the styles which are present inside the style gallery, we can load our own styles that we have created from the template or from another document also. Apart from loading, we can apply the styles using fill format mode as well. So now we'll be implementing both these methods of loading the styles using LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so now what we'll be doing, will be loading a style which we have created in another document. Initially, we had applied the styles which we had created in the currently selected document only, and we were applying them on the same document. But now we'll be loading the styles which have already created in some another document. So that will be loading styles from template or another document into your currently selected document. So how to go about it? We'll be clicking on styles, then manage styles. This will display the style window, and from style action button, which is there on the rightmost corner, we'll be selecting the option as load styles from template. So once we are clicking on load styles from template, it will display me the dialog box where I can browse the file in which we have created our new separate styles. So we can select the styles from the display menu, also display list of styles also from style gallery. But in this case, since we have to load it from a template from an already existing document, we'll be clicking from file option. So once we are opening the file from option, I'll be selecting my document in which I have already listed two styles, which is test document 1. So now I have loaded the test document 1, and there will be two styles which I have already created in this test document 1. Suppose style awareness, I'm selecting the text and applying this heading 2, which was there in my test document. So heading 2 I'll be applying. I'll be double clicking on this newly created style which was there in some other document. Similarly, we can apply another heading that I had taken, style that I had already taken, which is the title. So after applying heading 2, I can apply title also, which will be there most likely, since I have already created these two styles in the previous document. So that is my title. So once I select the title and double click on the title style which was present inside test document 1, that will be implemented in my current document. So this is how we can load the already created document, already created styles which are there in the already saved document into our currently selected document. Apart from this, there is another method of fill format through which we can apply styles which I have already created. To do so, suppose I have to apply a new style using fill format, and I'm selecting this text. Then after selecting this text, the first and foremost thing that I am going to do is I'm going to select the particular style which I have to apply. For example, if I say this content heading I have to select, or maybe heading 2, in case if I want to apply this only, I'll be selecting and shall be clicking on fill format mode. Once I'll be clicking on this bucket for fill format, this will be copied, the style that I have selected will be copied, and wherever I'll be hovering off and dragging and dropping this bucket and releasing the mouse button, there all this particular style shall be copied. So this is another way of uploading and displaying our style which we have created. In order to switch it off, we'll be again clicking on to unselect the fill format mode. We were again clicking on this bucket for fill format mode, and it will be unselected. So this is how we can apply the text and the styles from an existing document using drag and drop method also, and using fill format mode also. So that was all about of styles in LibreOffice Writer. So in case of any query, you may write me at my mail address that I have given in the next slide,
and I hope this video proves to be fruitful to you.
So that's all from the topic styles from Digital Documentation Advanced. In case of any doubt or any query, you may write to us at the given below email addresses. I hope you liked the video. Keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.